Lake Hopatcong 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath. Custom 4,000 square feet with finished west/out basement. 106 feet LK front, main lake, private launch, covered boat parking. Amazing outdoor living west/dock, patio, waterfall, pond. Open floor plan, floor to ceiling windows. DBL door entry, high ceilings, formal dining room/living room west/FBL. Handsome wood cabinets in updated kit, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, Viking oven, gas 6-burner west/professor grill hood and exhaust. Spacious BRs. Luxury master suite overlooking the lake. Oversized deck to enjoy lakefront living, sunrise to sunset. Notables: new Roth Oil tank, propane driven generator, gas line for barbecue, architectural designed waterfall west/stream back to lake west/pump, no filter needed, lake water pump for irrigation. Deep water swimming, oversized 4-car garage. Room for a pool. 10 minutes to NJ train, 1 hour NYC.